This video I am going to make a music flyer design in Canva. This is a very easy tutorial to follow. You can easily design or make a music flyer design or any flyer design free in Canva. You don't need a pro Canva account. For that you can see this is the dashboard of Canva and you can find a lot of things here. I have already made a Canva uh, how to use Canva, especially that video is for beginners. You can check that video in playlist. So but here we are going to design or make a flyer design in illustrate in Canva. So you can see the option of presentation. You can make a very professional or casual presentation in Canva without any hurdles. Even if you don't know or how to design it, you just need to follow a template and make some changes on it. And I'm going to click on the templates, and what I need it, I want to design a music flyer design. So what I'm going to do is just write it music flyer design in the search bar here, and it will be on portrait form, sorry. And you can find a, you will see the thousands of music flyer design in this section. So you can even design your own music flyer design or any flyer design from the scratch, but here we have so many options, so we are going to select any one of them and then make some changes according to that. Okay, and I think what I'm going to select it, this one is also very good, but let me select this one is look totally perfect or good. And you can see the size of it, 210 multiplied by 297 mm. So just, but I cannot use this because this is for pro version, pro pro people account, जिनके पास pro account है Canva का, they can use this template. Okay, we are going to select the free one. Okay, so I think this one is also free, but let me select another one. Wait a minute. mm, which one, which one? Okay, we have to, it takes some time, but I'm telling you, you will definitely like the final results. I think I have seen one here. Yeah, this one is also good. Select this one, and we can use this template because this is there is no restriction on it. And if you little bit scroll down, you will find more option here. Okay, okay, I think this one is totally perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one and make some changes according to our design. Okay, here is the design. It takes some time, sorry for that, my light is little bit slow, and you can see this. Okay, here I want to change, let me little bit zoom in first, and then I am going to make some changes according to our design. So first I am going to change this picture. I have my own picture, you can select any picture from here, but I have my own, so I am going to select that upload media. Wait a minute, and then select that file. Here is our picture. Okay, here it is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on it and just drag it like here. Okay, this one totally perfect, but I want to little bit adjust it. It is, you can do it by the help of arrow key, left or right or up and down arrow key. Okay, this is totally perfect as well. And then just click on the blank space. This is done little bit more. So I want to show the guitar as well little bit. You can even decrease scratch it from the corner of it like this one, and then just clean it. This one is perfect. And then what I'm going to do is, I don't like the background color at all, so I'm going to change that as well. How we can do it? mm, Let me decrease the size. Okay, now I want to change the color of this box. Purple, I don't really like it, so what I'm going to select it, I'm going to select a black one. Yeah, this looks totally perfect, but I also want to change this purple boxes here. So what I'm going to select it, I want, let me try little different things here. You can even select gray color, but I think red is looking totally perfect. Yeah, this one is perfect. You can even little bit this one red, this one red. Basically red is complementing. Okay, let me decrease the size of it. Control Z. Why is not selecting? It takes some time, but don't worry, we will do it. Okay, this one is also red, and this one, yeah, red one. Again, go to menu. This one is not, little bit decreases and zoom it, and it's inside the picture. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to yeah, this one is totally perfect. Now let me take is change the color of it. I think black, or you could even select the golden or yellowish color from here. Okay, no, that one was fine. Okay, now little bit decrease with the help of yeah, again red color, this one, and this is fine. And now I want to change here this color and this color. You can easily, what I literally did here, I just select the color, this one, and that's it. Now this time I want to change the text here. For that, I just, let me zoom in little bit here, and then just scroll up and change the color. You can write it world tour here, and you can, I don't like the font at all here, so I'm going to change the font type from here. No, this is not looking good at all. No, little bit it has to be pop up. What about Andrian grind? You can select this one. It takes some time, but I'm telling you, you will definitely like it. Okay, yeah. And then now it's time to world tour. You can write the year here, 2022. and you can change the size of it or everything you want. Okay, no, let me check here as well. You can select any font and tone little bit. It has to, yeah, this one totally perfect, and increase the size of it. Okay, and move this little bit up and this one little bit up here. Yeah, now I want to change the color of this to what I'm going to select here. Red one, no, it's not. Pink one, no, I think orange. Yeah, yellow, it's looking perfect, but I don't want it. This one, yeah, because it complementing the backside color, but I think I want to change the color of it to white, and this one is black and also white and white here. I think red to complement pink. Little bit yellow, I think. Little bit decrease the size of it, so in put it here, and now it has to be in black color. Okay, that's it. And then I'm going to write it here, the legend, and then I'm going to change the font, as this font is very difficult to understand here. No, this one is good, but it has to be in, yeah, perfect, totally perfect, and increase the size from here to there. Yeah, you can see it, it is looking amazing. Let me change the size of it to black. Let me check if it is looking good or not. White is looking totally perfect, or let me select turn into yellow. You don't need to select too many colors. You just use 2 or 3 colors and you will make a huge difference in your design. You can make a huge difference in your design. So just select it, and I think it looks totally perfect and complementing, and colors complementing each other, so we don't need to decrease it little bit. Yeah, this one, and select this color. Now concert tour, and you can add the details according to your choice. Okay, let me change the color of it here again. Let me change it into yellow if it looks looking great or not. Yeah, this one looks totally perfect. You can make so many changes, and you don't need any professional skills to make this. I didn't do anything here. I just take a template and change the things according to my details, or you could say it according to my choice. Yeah, but I want to change this color into white because so much yellow here. And then if you want to change the details here, you can change it, because I don't want to change any details here. I am just designing it for you guys. So yeah, okay, you can check set the position of it from here as well. And no, it's already in the center, so I don't need to put do it anything. Yeah, you can see it totally looks perfect here. And then let me zoom out. It's ready. Now how you can share it and add, make some changes, and in what format I want, just click on the share button, and then just you can download it in or even you can directly share on your social media account, or even you can print it according to your choice. But I would suggest that you should go to the professional print shop, because he will uh, print this according to the size of it, and he will add some kind of bleed as well in it. And just click on the download link, and just JPEG format I want it, and just download it. And you can see it. I don't even need Canva Pro account for that. You can see it. Let me show the final result here. And you can design any flyer here. Even let me show you business flyer. You can find a lots of option here, and so many things you can design it here. I was on the wrong business. You can see it. You just need to type it here, and you can find a lot of options. You can see it, and then you would just need to drag it here and make changes. It, wow, what a flyer it has been. You can do it according to your choice. Let me zoom it out. And that's it for now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.